Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to install TensorFlow in Windows 10. So let's start. If you are new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Run the command pip install TensorFlow. And press enter. If you found any error while installing this package, you can check the pin post link to solve this error. If pip is not found, enter external command, somewhat like this. So it take a little time. I'm pause the video here. If you need any help or if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment below and watch the video. If you got error, pin in the comments. Now you can see our package installed. Now check. If you get any error while installing this package, TensorFlow, you can comment below any video. If you have suggestion, feel free to comment below. And you can see the package is imported. You can see here error. Now module name TensorFlow. So good luck guys. If you have any curious suggestion, feel free to comment below.